guys, back with Fun with Freitags. It's Amanda and
Sierra.
well, our mom kind of messed up this, so this is part 2. So we still have our slimes in the bowl, and so the shaving cream, the green coloring, and I have not put the orange in yet. So I fixed the slime, so it's okay. So I just need to put the glitter in, and back to Sierra.
Okay, so I'm gonna add more of this because I don't think I added a lot of this yet.
Oh, she's doing that much. Okay, satisfying video. Is that satisfying? I think it's satisfying. Oh, it feels like sand. That feels so funny. Can you all see that? I feel like this is gonna be gorgeous. This is clear slime. Then I added green and then shaving cream. Okay, now back to the thing.
So I think this flower is really pretty right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this, and you can see what's going on with Amanda.
Should I add more glitter? I feel like it. Should I add more glitter, Mommy? Doesn't that look pink? It's not translucent anymore since I had the shaving cream. I feel like I should more glitter.
Okay. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add these dolphins.
We should have got a pair of scissors.
Yeah. Look. Mom, can you open this?
Hey, can y'all see that I finally matched today? See the blue matches? Because I never match. In most of my videos, I never match.
Thank you.
Look, 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 look. It's a pouch of glitter. Don't mind the noises in the back.
I added all of it.
Annoying brother talking to himself. Just kidding. Talking to his friends, which is getting really annoying. Isn't it pretty? I love it, Mommy. Ooh, that's pretty.
Ew, it feels crunchy. Really crunchy.
Is it like crunchy slime? Mine's not really fluffy.
Ow.
It's like. Is it still melted?
No.
Ooh, can I feel it?
Oh, it's slicky. It's slicky.
Ooh, it is crunchy
It's slimy
slime.
and sticky. Slicky.
Okay, so that is.
Sierra, you had pink glitter to add to that, didn't you?
Oh yeah. I'm gonna start putting mine up real quick.
You gonna pull your next number?
Yeah. Well, she's opening it. You want me to open it?
No, I can't open it.
Is it going to?
It looks like fairy dust.
This is my previous bowl.
Do you want a clean one?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, probably, because the other one has orange sprinkles in it.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Mom.
I'll clean these bowls later. So we
Look.
Oh, that is so touchy-fine. Go. May I touch it?
Ew, it doesn't even feel like it's...
Doesn't it feel like sand?
It's not even sticking to me like it did.
Cause it blocks. I think Sierra's is more prettier than mine. This is like Halloween slime or something. I don't know what you call it. Y'all, comment down below and see.
We're gonna do one of these together.
Name these slimes for us. Comment down below what you think this one should be called.
I think we should name this like
The sea
Oh,
slime.
it almost looks pearlescent.
it should be sea slime,
but
without the blue.
But comment, link down below, subscribe, like,
Which one was better?
and name our slimes.
Which
And
one did you like the most?
Yes.
After we done.
I feel like Sierra's is the better one.
It's pretty.
Yeah, I like it.
Almost looks like cotton candy.
Okay, I'm
We're
gonna
gonna
draw.
go to the next
And
one.
by the way, y'all, we're gonna do one together.
Yeah, that's what
I already know they're gonna be a clear slime, so do I have to pick
Just draw a number.
a T? It is 2. Oh my goodness. Ooh, that's a lot of clear slime. Can you see there's glitter in there? We accidentally, while we're making it, we got the glitter in there.
Okay. Mine's pretty.
We were trying to wait we were waiting for a long time for our clear slime to clear. And it was forever.
It was 2 days.
3 counting today. Ugh.
Sarah, go ahead and pick your number.
I got 4 in red. Ooh, it needs to be a pink. Man, I really wanted 1 though.
I got a 4.
Hey, why don't
I
you put this in your...
Container, Mom, put your hands down.
Yeah, can you get that off of me?
Got you, Mommy. We got you. Ooh.
There you
It's so clear. I've never had clear slime.
You got the broken container.
It's broken.
It is broken, right? Oh no, it's not.
Yes, it is. 12. Where's number 12? Oh, I get green glitter.
go. Sarah, go ahead and pick your red.
I already got 4, so.
And 9. It's 9. No, 9 is glitter. Can I redraw?
I got a 9 too.
Can I redraw, Mommy?
Nope.
Please.
Get what you get and you don't throw a fit.
But there's green and blue.
Yeah, where's the red?
That's so pretty. Why did you always get the nice sequins?
Ooh, it's hard to see with the light.
May I please redraw? May I draw one more then, since we have a lot? One more?
No.
Uno mas, Mommy.
2. I got.
What was your red? Pink?
Yeah.
I got a 6. So the 6 would be.
Oh man.
I got googly eyes.
No! Yeah, those are my favorite.
Okay, now where's the?
May I redraw?
What slime did you pull?
Oh, I got the 4.
Oh.
This one we're gonna do together.
I got an 11. Do we
I really wish you didn't pull those eyeballs.
11.
I think it's the glitter.
That is pretty.
You always get the good stuff. So pretty. Why is it
Wait,
all
what is
chunky?
that? What is that? I see a number 11 and a 6.
Yeah.
11
I
and
got-
6?
6 is right here.
I also got a 9.
Oh, no, that's a green 6. I mean a yellow 6.
Mommy, it looks chunky.
9 is the...
Chunky, chunky.
9 is this.
Right.
Oh yeah. And then I got a yellow.
The 6.
You're so confused, Sierra.
And a gold, number 11.
So now, where's my bowl? Where's the other bowl though?
Panda used 2 because she was greedy.
No, because I had to,
Her little greedy Gus.
satisfying y'all. This is satisfying when you mix
Oh,
the color
it has
into
glitter
dust.
already in it.
Mommy, that looks like a tiger.
That's super clear.
Yes, because we waited like 4 days.
Yeah, we waited like.
Sierra's, yours is clear too.
Y'all, look, this is amazing. Amazing satisfaction.
Stuck to my finger.
I think this
I didn't
pink,
get any colors yet.
this pink is much more better than that green.
Look how soft.
Look how the pigment is.
Ooh, yours is super clear too.
Mine's soft.
Okay, so what if I allow you to pull one more red
Oh,
for each of yours? So Sierra gets a chance of getting a color.
Oh yay! That's
well, can she pick a red and I pick a Lolo?
Oh!
Hers is super clear.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, Sierra, ready?
Excuse me. Please tell me you didn't get whatever that one was.
No, she's getting yellow. You're getting red.
But red doesn't.
I hate confetti. It makes this sign. That's. Do I have to use it?
You pulled it.
Mommy, but it's. No. Mommy,
you
it'll
pulled
mess
it.
up my
Did
sign.
you get a blue? Nice.
But you didn't say how much I had to put in there.
I got her favorite color and she got my favorite color.
You. I get to keep your slime and you get to keep my slime.
Okay.
I'm only gonna use a little bit.
Okay, we'll start adding your stuff in.
I'm gonna add my glitter. Wait, I'm gonna make the sunset.
Ew, it sounds like.
You
Don't
don't
use
have
a
to add a
lot of
whole
it.
lot. See,
Oh no! Look at that.
Where's the lid?
That's like a pretty blue.
Oh, blue stars.
and and glitter. That's
Mine
so
doesn't
cool.
even match. I got confetti.
Since you're matching, you get everything that doesn't match,
Unmatched.
and I get everything that matches. Because I'm
You're
unmatching.
weenie.
Because I'm unmatching.
Do you think we fight all the time? Link that down in the comments. Can you open this? Me, I be nice sister and open it. Did you spill that? Sort of, kind of.
Oh, I didn't mix my color.
What? So awesome sauce.
I didn't mix this yet.
Oops, I got glitter on the floor.
You can sweep it up later.
Satisfying videos. Oddly satisfying. Mommy, I will sweep it up.
Oddly satisfying.
Please.
Oh, I got it.
Why does it feel so funny? I'm gonna just add it all in there.
I'm just gonna. Oh, Mom, I wish we bought gloves.
Hey, my hands got stained green. That sound.
Hey, Mom, what time I go into
Josh, you're so loud, sir.
Sorry. Wait, don't forget to sponsor Mr. Lava Creeper.
Yeah,
in
Mr.
the
Lava
description.
Creeper.
That is such a pretty blue.
Ooh, turn purple.
Yeah, that's my second.
That's a
favorite color.
baby blue.
I like this color. I want to
Mommy.
add more though.
Mm-hmm. Pour it in your other bowl if you don't want to use it.
Oh, I'm gonna make glittery foam.
No, we're gonna add all of our extra into this one. Into this.
No, because we're gonna draw for that. Anything that's extra, like glitter or sequins, we're gonna stick in
Why'd
that
you
bowl.
put all that up?
Because we didn't know.
Because you're not going to need it for the time being.
It's purple.
Okay, so now.
No, I forgot that it was open.
No, don't put that in
Make
this
it
one.
rain.
You got
Make it
paper
rain.
in here.
Make it rain. I may have added something. They're stars. They look like snowflakes though. Mommy, it's purple.
Oh, this.
Don't forget your
Mom,
confetti.
You're having a baby boy, and a
Mommy's
baby
pregnant. A baby boy. And I'm gonna be a big sister.
A big sister.
Yeah. And she also has to be the middle child with me.
Oh my gosh.
Life. Mommy, make it rain. Ugh, I wish
Mom,
I didn't
this
get
slime is-
confetti.
It's for the baby. The slime's for the baby.
For her baby shower, I'm gonna make slime for everyone with binkies, bottles, and what was it? Stroller thingies? Whatever.
Wait, she's gonna make slime
Pins.
for you?
Pins, baby pins that you pin the diaper with.
Oh yeah, we should do it. We should get a donkey and put.
Are
the
they gonna
tail
make
on
you
the
a
donkey.
diaper cake? Cause I thought made it.
Did you,
Add confetti.
Oh wait. Before I add this,
pretty.
It's super
some on
pretty,
the
y'all.
floor and everything.
And we have to test these slimes out in the next video. And then another video, we're gonna have a
We're
slime
gonna make a
smoothie.
slime smoothie in the next
Yeah, we're
video.
gonna have slime smoothies from all of our other videos and stuff. So
Wait, we haven't done a shout out.
like, subscribe. I don't know, cause I don't even know if we have enough people for shout outs. Nice clear slime turned to
Pretty.
Next video, we're gonna do a shout out.
okay. Now add any extra. Oh, that is awesome, so.
I'm gonna. Oh, forgot my glue.
Please don't add a lot of eyeballs, cause I really want to keep those eyeballs.
Okay, so everything that we use in these, we're gonna have to put back in there, like the shaving cream.
Ready, Mom? See how far I can get it.
I'm just gonna. Oh, I'm out. Okay, you
Can I
guys have
help
to guess
you?
what I'm making.
Am I allowed to help you?
Most people just have your circle shot.
What does gold and blue make?
Glue.
It's a cyclops with many eyes. That doesn't make sense, but yeah.
Why are you guessing? They're supposed to guess.
Hey, Mom! We need those bowls for the next slime that we have.
I know.
Look, it's clear! Everyone likes slime, right? Only teachers hate slime.
What?
Teachers hate, like,
My teacher loves.
triple double hate. It's like, well, only those mean teachers that won't allow you to do anything.
Like, yeah. We have to do like.
By the way, it's summer.
I'm so glad we're out of school. But I can't wait to go back to school.
I want to go back to school.
Okay, if you guys can't guess what it is, I'll tell you right now.
Link it down in the comments and see what it is.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm right.
Okay. So now I have to destroy this beautiful, beautiful.
Masterpiece. Ooh, satisfying videos. Hey, Mommy, may me and Sierra split it and we both do different ones?
I don't care. You don't have a whole lot of ingredients left.
Yeah.
Sierra, we're gonna split this in half.
Okay. We're gonna split it in half. Let me get all this stuff out.
Whoops, I'll get that later.
That was loud. Oh my gosh, Mom, this is turning like sort of.
I'll put glitter.
It making a brown.
Ew, it did make it brown. It still looks.
Oh, I have a great idea. I'm just gonna
Add more blue. But what if it dyes your glitter blue? Don't use all of my favorite colors.
I'm just gonna make an X here.
Sierra, keep your bowl. Make it rain. Really? You didn't hear what I said.
I heard that.
Oh, see? The clay did dye it pink. Do these look?
But I had to help.
Yeah, that's one's mine.
No.
No.
What's the
Ew.
time?
17.
17 minutes. Oh my! Oh, I just hid.
Not including the part 1.
Mom, how did you let it go on this boat? Sierra, hurry up.
Okay. So now we're gonna go to the second one because
The clay is mixing, Mommy.
It doesn't feel so good. Feel it. It doesn't feel as good as the white one I made.
Is it because of the whatchamacallit? The whatchamacallit? You know what I mean. The cool. Don't listen to me, people. Okay, Sierra, you ready?
Give me 5 seconds.
We're gonna pick 2.
Blast off. Okay.
We're gonna pick 1 from the red. And 1 from the Lolo.
Yeah.
There's only
Someone
one
already
from
made
the Lolo.
something in here.
We're gonna do 2 yellows and 1 red. Okay. Ready? I'm gonna
2 reds actually.
2 reds and 2 yellows?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'll just take these.
I don't even know if there's. I have 10 and 2
I have
for
13.
yellow.
Aw, come on, I got beans.
And then I have 2.
I also got a 1 in yellow too.
I have 2 and 3 from.
1 in yellow.
2 and 3 are both color.
It's okay.
Aw, I don't get a color. I got beads. Oh, yeah.
What color?
Yes!
Do y'all?
My ultimate.
What color do y'all think this? these
Wait,
are
let's
gonna
trade. Let's trade. Let's trade one of these colors. Let's trade.
Make? Can we trade?
I want this one.
No, but I want silver. But silver will go with those, and I.
Okay, we got it.
So I got pom poms, sequins, more sequins that are like raindrop pink things, and yellow.
I got sequin stars, and I got silver color, and then I got some beads,
By the way, most
and
of
then
this
some buttons.
bead buttons. We got some of this stuff from Five Below and
I don't know where you guys
King
got.
Dollar.
King Dollar. Five Below and King Dollar. Those are really good places to shop. And no, just those.
Oh, why did slime just drop from the sky onto my arm? Oh, ow. Mom, look. Listen to that noise. Oh, it stuck to my fingers that time.
I wonder what color your
Are you
slime
gonna
is
make a
going
picture
to be
for
with.
Y'all tell me what this is after I'm done, and I'll tell y'all what it is.
Yeah, come here.
No, I wish though. That'd be funny. But I'm not that good of an artist.
You going to mix the color before you...
Sunset.
Yeah.
Wait, can we add some of the things we had in the past?
No.
No.
I wanted to add some blue.
I'm gonna have I'm gonna have 2 different pictures, and this is one of them, and then you're gonna have to tell me what the next.
Okay, so Ow. I just scraped myself. I'm gonna wait until the.
Ooh, this is really good. But I really stained my hands. Good, this is what kind of paint is this?
Oh, I'm
Acrylic.
gonna make. Mom, I'm
It's
gonna make dad.
acrylic, y'all.
Mom, I'm gonna make dad with silver.
Okay.
I hate her. One here, I'm talking to myself, Mommy. I'm going insane.
No, you're not.
On with the video.
I'm making dad.
You just told everybody
Mom already knows. Yeah, now I gotta
every
make
day, all day.
Okay, now
I don't even know what I'm making right now. I don't.
dog's face is apparently pink. I'm going to.
There's teddy bears. There's dolphins. Yes, there's everything in there. Yeah, supporting your sister. Ooh, you got my favorite animal besides a penguin. We should get a.
Yeah, I'm just gonna add a handful.
Jingle bells. I didn't know there was other things. I thought there
There's
was
like cats, dogs.
I got cats and dogs. You took my other favorite.
Don't forget you gotta add buttons in there, so
Buttons.
leave some space because you don't have a whole lot of glue.
It's just the ring that the dolphins swimming in. And it's raining.
Why'd you tell him? You said you would make a picture.
Hey, and you have
Oh, no.
glitter stars also.
Yeah, all over the floor.
No, they're not.
Oh.
Don't wait, Mom. We're gonna need another broom. We're gonna need to borrow that broom again.
I don't know what picture I made, so link down in the comments. I made it. What do you think I made?
What is it? What does it look like?
Y'all have to name all of our slimes, and we're going to
Guess
guess
which
each other,
one.
and whose is better.
Just guess which one's better. I mean, looks good. Better. Oh my gosh, Mom. Ew. I should have mixed the color in
You want some
before I added
sequins?
the- No.
She has star sequences she's still gotta add.
Look at all
I
of
feel
that.
like the pom-poms made it a
It
little
looks
funny.
like Dad's hair, but with these in it.
Dad's hair.
Did you add the buttons too?
Yeah, the buttons.
Y'all, this is some nice crunchy slime that
I
dolphin
got
just
some-
stabbed me in the hand.
I got fishbowl slime.
It's not a fish bowl slime.
Yeah, it is. It has fishes inside.
Y'all, I thought dolphins were friendly, but
Don't forget your stars, Cease.
Oh yeah, don't forget Mystige.
it doesn't want to stretch anymore because of the pom-poms.
Amanda, I'm getting a dolphin.
Should we do a slime smoothie bowl with all of our slimes?
Not right now.
Well, not now, but
Yeah, I don't want to bite this.
Gumball and Darwin and Gumball.
Oh yeah.
That's what we're watching on TV right now. Y'all, this is so awesome, even though it doesn't even match. It's nice, fluffy, not even fluffy.
Mine is pretty. I like,
like
this
it.
one.
Look, but y'all have to link down in the comments whose is better from both rounds and whose you like the most. And yada yada. Like, subscribe. Yeah,
We're gonna
like,
do shout out in
subscribe.
our next video.
We might do shout out.
Oh,
Shamalama ding dong. Okay.
Ding dong. Ding ding.
Here, guys, say bye now.
Oh wait, we're not done yet.
Yes, we are.
Wait, is this mine?
Bye bye, guys. Like, subscribe, yada yada.
Choose which ones are your favorite.
Maybe next time we do the video.
Choose which one's your favorite.
We love y'all. Bye. Have a